In this video, I'll show you step by step how I created the superhero video you just watched. Watch until the end to learn how to make short videos that get millions of views. If you want to make money from YouTube, there are three things you need: desire to make money, internet, and time. Everything else is given to you by artificial intelligence applications. Let's start to create video step by step. First, we need to determine the topic. Then, we need to create visual text according to this topic. We must convert these texts into images using artificial intelligence text to image applications. Finally, we can create video using these images, which will eventually get thousands of likes on YouTube. To create video content, you can easily create a membership with your email address and use the ChatGPT application for free. You can either write visual text to ChatGPT about the topic you are considering to make a video about, or you can ask ChatGPT to suggest topics for you. For example, I asked her to suggest 5 topics related to superheroes for this short video. You can choose one of the topics suggested by ChatGPT, or if you find it insufficient, you can ask it to suggest more topics. You can ask ChatGPT to create visual text for you by specifying details such as characters, background, and number of visuals for the topic you choose. Or you can leave all the details to ChatGPT by specifying only the topic we choose and the number of visual text we want. You can create the necessary visuals for your video using one of the artificial intelligence applications that create visuals from text, such as Leonardo, Bing, or DaVinci, from the visual text you create. In this video, we will create video images with the Bing application. Copy the visual text you created in ChatGPT to the Bing application. You can create the video images you need by adding the visual style to the end of the text and pressing the Create button. Depending on the intensity of the application, it may take time to create the images. You can download the one you like among the visual options created by the application by clicking the Download button. If the desired visual is not created, you can try again from the same text and see other visual options, or you can get the best visual by adding the details you want to the visual text. While most AI visual applications offer limited usage for free, you can try the Bing app for free without any restrictions. You can download all the images you need for your short video by repeating the same process. Now that you have created the images, it is time to create a video from the images. You can make the video for free using the Canva application. Since you'll be creating a short video, you'll need to open a new project in Canva at 1080 width, 1920 height pixel. Upload all the images you downloaded into the project you open. To upload, simply drag and drop the images to the upload section on the project page. Create as many pages as you have images in your video project and add one image to each page. Add background images to the project pages you create. Adjust the transparency of the background images if necessary. Set animations for the main visuals on your project page. You can set transition animations between pages and make the visuals into videos. You can make your video better by adding images and animations to your project pages. The Canva application offers you many animation options and also allows you to animate the images by removing their backgrounds. The Pro option of the Canva application offers you many ready-made animation options. This application offers the Pro version for 1 month free. Of course, as in many applications, you can create new accounts in Canva and use the Pro version for a long time. Now that our video is ready, it's time to add sound or music to your video. To add music to your video, simply drag and drop the music you downloaded to the upload section on the project page and place the music file under the images after the music is uploaded. If you want, you can increase or decrease the background sound of the music you added to your video from the sound icon. You can use the Elevenlaps application to add voiceover to your video. You can convert the video text you created in ChatGPT into speech by selecting one of the dozens of voices in Elevenlaps. To convert text to speech, simply copy the text to Elevenlaps and click the Generate Speech icon. After listening to this voice created by artificial intelligence, you can download it and make it ready to use in your video. You can upload the audio file you downloaded to the Canva app and add narration to the video. You can synchronize the audio in your video with the images by placing the audio you use in the project under the visual related to the narration. After adding audio and music files to your video, there are only 2 steps left to share the video and get thousands of likes. To download the video you created in Canva, first click on the Share icon and then the Download icon. After waited a bit for it to download, then your video file is on your computer. If you are curious about the performance of the short video we prepared, you can watch the short video from the link in the upper right corner. While we have the final steps to get the video ready for upload, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and support us for more content like this. To increase the interaction of your video, you should not forget to add an intriguing title. You can use Canva's text section for this. Additionally, you can only choose a cover photo when you upload your video from your phone. You should select the image you added a title to as the cover photo when uploading from your phone. Finally, you can increase the interaction and views of your video by adding a like animation. You can download the subscribe video that you will add to your video from YouTube as a green screen, or you can use the ready-made subscribe images in Canva. You can use Capcut app to add subscribe video to video. Copy your original video with green background video that you downloaded to Capcut. Add two videos on top of each other and remove green background in subscribe video. Then place subscribe video where you want it to appear in main video. You can also add subtitles to your video in Capcut. Now your video is ready to be uploaded. You can download the finalized version of your video by clicking Export in Capcut. Now you can reach millions by uploading your video to YouTube. You can find all the applications used in preparing this video in the description section of the video. Also, if you mention your curiosities about the use of artificial intelligence applications in the comments, you will determine the subject of the next educational video.